In this video, I want to talk to you guys real quick about a common issue I see when devs run into trouble and then they start to place blame where it really doesn't belong. Starting now. Welcome to Rock Codes. Glad you stopped by. I'm Rasheen. I want to help you code something awesome. I want to talk to you guys real quick about a common mistake that I see a lot of developers make when they start running into problems with their project. So it seems like people get frustrated when they start running into problems. Maybe they're trying to get their React project up and running, or Vue, or whatever it may be, PHP. They're trying to integrate a library. They start to look for reasons. Why is this happening to me? Why isn't this code working? It looks perfectly fine. Surely it's not my issue that I'm doing. It's got to be a problem with the tools I'm using, right? Like, this must be a bug in React. Or Vue is a horribly broken library. Or maybe even, I don't know why people use Node. Rails is way better. Whatever the case may be, people start to place blame where it doesn't belong and waste a lot of time. Now, it's natural to get frustrated when things don't go down exactly how you saw it in your mind. Maybe when you were reading that README or checking out the GitHub. Maybe you even went to the website and read some docs. As if people read docs. What is not normal is to place blame where it doesn't belong. Have you ever heard that acronym PEBKAC? Problem exists between keyboard and chair? Well, that's what I think about when I see people getting really frustrated and just running themselves around in circles and thinking it's a bug in some tool, something that is well vetted and probably is not the issue. Probably 99% of the time, it's not the library or the tools or your editor or whatever you want to blame it on. It's just an error in your code or an error in your implementation. And that's not to say that none of these well-vetted libraries or tools, it's not to say they don't have bugs. Of course they have bugs. Look at their issues list. There's all kinds of issues, but it's just unlikely you're hitting one of them, especially if you're just getting this thing up and running and following the initial documentation. More than likely, the bug is you, and that's okay. There's definitely nothing wrong with that. Now, I know, it's hard to hear that you might be making a mistake. But being able to admit to your mistakes and having the humility to put your ego aside and recheck your work is the hallmark of a good developer. That's one of the things that will separate a mediocre developer from a great developer. Being able to second guess their decisions and verify their work and not try to put the blame elsewhere. Take responsibility. This is how you learn. This is how you become great. So take a break, take a walk, take a breath, flip your desk, whatever it is you need to do, walk away, come back, and look at your stuff with fresh eyes. And then maybe you'll be able to figure out what the problem really is. But do not allow yourself to get it in your head that it's a bug in the library or something outside of your control when you haven't fully vetted what you're doing. Take your time. So this is actually related to a really common mistake, which is called an XY problem. You get it in your head that this thing is the problem. It is this. This is what is wrong right now, and I have to fix this. And that can be just trying to implement something or just trying to fix a bug or anything. You just are laser focused that this is what the thing is. I know it's this, but it's not that. This is not the thing that you should be worried about. This isn't even what you came here to do. This is a distraction. You got to take a step back. Remember what you came here for. Remember what you were designing, what feature you were trying to implement, what the issue was you were trying to fix. Take a step back, reset, and get the job done. Code something awesome. That's all for today. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Next time, peace.